Hello and welcome to my Yoga for Energy video. This yoga video is good to do in the morning to wake you up and give you energy. It is made up of 2 short vinyasa flow routines to stretch and strengthen the body and also work on your balance. If you have more time, I'd recommend starting this practice with a breathing exercise, which you'll find in the link above. Now, the spine nice and tall, relaxing the shoulders down the back. Just take a moment to observe how you're feeling. Breathing in and out just through the nose. On your next breath in, when you're ready, we'll raise the arms up towards the ceiling, stretch up. And as you exhale, gently lower the hands down. We'll support the outside of the knees, draw them in, and make your way into Hero's Pose. And coming into a cat-cow variation. So inhale, lifting the chest, chin looking up, and exhale, drawing the abdomen really round the back and lower the head. Inhale again, lift the chest and chin looking up, drawing the shoulders back. And exhale, really round the back. One more. Inhale, lift the chest, chin, looking up. And exhale, gently round, really warming up the back muscles today. Inhale into a neutral position. As you exhale, bring your hands onto the floor, tuck under the toes, and we'll come into a squat toe balance. So bringing the hands in a prayer in front of the heart. This is really good at strengthening the lower body, the abdomen, the lower back, and also challenging you with a balance. On your next breath in, when you're ready, straighten the arms and legs, stretch all the way up to the ceiling. And as you exhale, interlace the fingers and push the palms up. One more breath in. As you exhale, lower the hands over towards the left. Inhale when you're ready, coming into the center. And exhale to the other side. Inhale, coming into the center. And exhale, releasing the hands down. Inhale, sweep the hands up. Exhale, lower the hands in a prayer or come into chair position. Inhale, the spine nice and tall. Exhale, coming into twisted chair, looking to the left. Inhale into the center. And exhale to the other side. Inhale, come back into the center. And we'll exhale, come into a standing forward fold. Inhale, look up, nice flat back. Exhale, bend the knees, lower the chest towards the knees. Inhale again, look up, flat back. And exhale, bend the knees, lower down. One more. Inhale, look up, flat back. And exhale, come into a forward fold. Inhale, round the back, come all the way up to standing. Exhaling at the top. Relax the shoulders just down the back 1 or 2 times. On your next breath in, when you're ready, we'll sweep the arms up overhead. And we'll exhale, take a big step out into star. Inhale, raise the arms up. And exhale, gently lower. Bringing the hands in a prayer. We'll inhale, stretch up to the ceiling. Exhale, nice big circle down. Inhale again, stretching the arms, looking up to the ceiling, stretching the neck. And exhale, lower down. Inhale again, stretching up. And exhale, gently lower. This time we'll inhale, sweep the arms up to the ceiling. And we'll exhale, bend the right knee. Imagine you want to touch the right foot. Inhale, come to the center, stretching up. And exhale, bend the left knee, touching the left foot. Inhale again to the center, stretching up. Exhale over to the right. Inhale into the center. And exhale over to the left. Inhale into the center, stretching up to the ceiling. And exhale once more over to the right. Inhale into the center, stretching up. And exhale to the left. Inhale into the center, stretching up. This time we'll exhale, stepping over to the left. Inhale, stretch the hands up to the ceiling. Exhale, lower the hands in a prayer and coming into chair position. Inhale, the spine nice and tall. Exhale, twist to the right to twisted chair pose. Inhale into the center. And exhale, twist to the left. Inhale into the center. And we'll exhale, stretch all the way up. Inhale, exhale, come all the way down. Back into squat toe balance. Just pausing here just for a moment. Nice slow breathing. Take a breath in. As you exhale, lower your hands down onto the floor, untuck your toes and come into hero to come into cat-cow breaths again. So inhale, lift the chest, chin looking up. Exhale, drawing the abdomen really round the shoulders. Inhale again, lift the chest, chin, looking up, draw the shoulders back, and exhale, round. Last time, inhale, lift the chest, chin, look up to the ceiling, and exhale, gently round. We'll inhale now into a neutral position in the center, and we'll exhale, just pause here before we come into our second routine. So turning sideways on the mat, so we'll come once more into my favorite sequence of cat-cow. It's really, really beneficial for increasing flexibility in the neck, the shoulders and the spine. So we'll inhale, lift the chest, chin, look up to the ceiling, and exhale, drawing the abdomen really round the shoulders. Inhale again, lift the chest, chin, looking up, drawing the shoulder back, stretching across the chest, and exhale, draw the abdomen round the shoulders and stretching the back of the body. Inhale again, lift the chest, chin, looking up, and exhale, last time, rounding the back. Now I'll inhale, come into a neutral position and roll the shoulders down the back a few times. Nice slow breathing, just observing how your back feels. Now taking your time, we'll come into a squatting toe balance again. So just observing, stretching the feet to start with, tucking under the toes, and then when you're ready, lifting the knees up. Hands in a prayer in front of the heart. We'll just pause here. Try and relax the shoulders down the back, trying to bring the weight back onto the back of the body, onto the hips. So inhale, when you're ready, stretch all the way up, straighten the arms and legs, and then we'll exhale, come into a standing forward fold. So pausing here, maybe wriggling from side to side, encouraging a stretch in the lower back and in the hamstrings. You can bend and straighten the legs to help release the stretch in the hamstrings, or you can pause here if you prefer. So inhale, look up, flat back. As you exhale, walk the hands away and we'll come into downward facing dog. So moving the feet so the hip distance apart. And then again, bending and straightening the legs. Really encourage a nice stretch in the body, spreading the hands, stretching also the muscles around the hands and the wrists, and bending and straightening each leg. Just pause, nice slow breathing. Just observing where you feel this stretch. We'll take a breath in. As you exhale, lower down into plank, bring the shoulders above the wrists, and then lower all the way gently onto the mat, untucking the toes. Inhale into a low cobra, keeping the elbows in, and exhale, gently lower. Inhale again, lifting up a little bit higher, only if it feels comfortable, and exhale, gently lower. Last time, inhale, lift into whichever height feels comfortable, and exhale, gently lower. We'll tuck under the toes and inhale, coming back into downward facing dog. And again, pausing just for a moment, having a little stretch. To come out of this posture when you're ready, we'll inhale, raise the heels, bend the knees and walk the feet towards the hands, but lifting the hands as much as you need to come into a standing forward fold. Inhale, sweep the hands all the way up to the ceiling, and exhale, gently lower the hands down. Inhale again, sweep the hands up all the way to the ceiling. Exhale, gently lower the hands down, but bring the hands into a prayer in front of the heart. Inhale and exhale, gently taking your time, lowering down to a squat toe balance, just pausing here, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Try and relax the shoulders down the back, try and release the muscles in the jaw. Try and prevent yourself from clenching the jaw to help with your balance. As you inhale, sweep the hands all the way up towards the ceiling, straightening the arms and legs. Now we'll exhale, come to a standing forward fold. Just stretching the back one more time. Inhale, look up, flat back, and exhale, come back into our forward fold. Inhale again, look up, flat back, and exhale, very gently lower. Inhale, now bend the knees, coming up into a chair. Pausing, bring the hands in a prayer in front of the heart, take a breath in. We'll exhale, twist towards the left. Inhale into the center, and exhale, twist towards the right. Inhale, come into the center, and exhale one more time, lowering down into our toe balance, just pausing. This is really good at stretching the feet. Nice slow breath. So inhale, stretch the arms all the way up, Exhale, this time come into a forward fold. Inhale, look up, flat back. We'll exhale, step the right foot back and then the left into plank. Inhale, exhale, lower all the way down onto the mat, untucking the toes. Inhale into a cobra and exhale, come up into downward facing dog. Just pausing here, walking out the legs, having a nice stretch on the whole of the body. And this is a lovely morning routine to help wake you up. So hopefully it's giving you lots of energy at the moment. And now a little inhale, start to slide and walk the hands back towards the feet, bending the knees if you need to. We'll inhale, sweep the hands all the way up, stretching up to the ceiling. And exhale, lower. Inhale, once more, stretch the hands up. We'll exhale, gently lower. Inhale, now bend the knees, sweep the hands up into chair. Exhale, bring the hands in front of the heart in prayer. Inhale, the spine nice and tall. Exhale, twist to the left, looking towards your right elbow. Inhale into the center. And exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, come into the center. And exhale, lower all the way gently down into our toe balance, just pausing here. Last time. Then we'll bring the hands onto the floor, gently untuck the toes. Just pause just for a moment. We'll inhale, lift the chest, chin looking up to the ceiling. And exhale, round the back. Inhale again, lift the chest, chin looking up. This is really good at waking up the spine. And exhale, gently round. One last time. We'll inhale, lift the chest, chin looking up. Really draw the shoulders back. And exhale, round the back, tucking under the chin. Inhale, come into a neutral position. We'll draw down the shoulders, pausing, nice slow breathing in and out through the nose. We'll bring the hands together in front of the heart and then gently lower down into child's pose. So resting the forehead either on the block or onto the floor if it reaches, and the arms by the side of the body. Just let go. Allow the body to relax. Just for a few breaths. So hopefully you feel more energized and awake from this morning practice. I'd recommend practicing as often as you can. Please remember, if you've enjoyed this video, please click like below and also share it with your family and friends. Also maybe write me a comment if you'd like to see any other yoga poses, any future videos, or any areas you'd like me to work on. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your attention. And if you'd like to continue with your yoga practice, I would recommend watching my meditation, guided meditation, which you can also see in the link below. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.